A well-stocked pantry beckons with the promise of culinary potential. A voice narrates. Meal prepping from existing pantry items can save time and money. In a vibrant display, an animated infographic unfolds, revealing the heart of a well-stocked pantry. Rice, pasta, canned goods, and beans, with the words, "Essential pantry ingredients," shining bright. A split screen emerges, contrasting the cost of pantry staples against the allure of takeout, revealing the economical wisdom of home cooking. In the kitchen prep area, quick recipe demonstrations illuminate the screen with simple meals crafted from pantry staples. Recipe names and ingredient lists dance across the screen, as pasta aglio e olio and quick chickpea curry take center stage. With a warm smile, the host promises it'll provide tips on ingredient substitutions and flavor variations. Sunlight bathes the pristine kitchen organization, showcasing labeled containers in a symphony of order and efficiency. As gentle fills the air, the host shares wisdom on preserving freshness and banishing waste. The host guides viewers to store food properly to maximize shelf life and reduce waste. A symphony of flavors and health coalesce within neatly arranged meal prep containers, promising both ease and affordability. In bold letters, the promise of easy, affordable meal prep flashes across the screen, beckoning a life of culinary simplicity and economic wisdom. A week's worth of meticulously prepped meals stand as a testament to the convenience and cost-effectiveness of pantry-based meal prepping, transforming mundane tasks into a gateway to culinary bliss.